Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear student. First prep. In this lesson, we will study mental math. Example number 1. Choose the correct answer. If A times B over 2 equal A over 2, then value of B equal A over 2 or 0 or A or negative A or 1. Any number, we know that any number, its denominator equal 1. When we multiplying two fractions, we multiply numerator A multiplied by B will equal A times B, and 1 times 2 will equal 2. It's equal A over 2. Because the denominator are same, then A multiplied by B equal A, then the B must be equal 1, because A times 1 will equal A. Number 2, if x over 3 minus 4 equals 6, then x over 3 plus 2 over 3 equal. First, we must find the value of x. We take negative 4 to the other side with positive sign, then x over 3 will equal 6 plus 4, which equal 10, then x over 3 equal 10, and 3 will go to the other side with multiplication sign, then x equal 10 multiplied by 3 will equal 30. Then x over 3 plus 2 over 3 will equal 30 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Because the denominator are same, then 30 over 3 plus 2 over 3 will equal 32 over 3. Example number 3. If x plus 2 over x equal 5 plus 2 over 5. Of course, because x and x equal 5 and 5, therefore x equal 5. If 5a equal 45 and ab equal 1, then value of b equal. Between 5 and a we have multiplication sign. To find value of a, 5 will go to the other side with divided, then a equal 45 divided by 5 will equal 9. And between a and b we have times, then a times b equal 1, and we get the value of a equal 9, then 9 times b equal 1. To find value of b, we take 9 to the other side with divided, then b equal 1 over 9. Or we said before that any number times its multiplicative inverse equal 1, and the multiplicative inverse of 9, it's equal 1 over 9. Number 5, if x over y equal 1, then 2x minus 2y equal. Because x over y equal 1, then the value of x must be equal value of y. 1 over 1 equal 1, 2 over 2 equal 1, 3 over 3, and so on. Then if x equal 1, then the value of y must be equal 1. Then 2x minus 2y will equal 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 will equal 0. Because 2 times 1 equal 2 minus 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 minus 2 will equal 0. The rule: to find the number from the smaller number, we make small number plus ratio or fraction multiplying by inside fraction big minus small. Or to find the number from the greater side, the rule equal big minus ratio and inside bracket big minus small. Example number 2, find a rational number lying at middle way between 3 and 7. Middle way, the ratio or the fraction will equal 1 over 2. We can solve this example from the smaller or greater. We will get the same answer. From the smaller rule, we make small plus ratio or fraction 1 over 2, and inside bracket big minus small will equal. Of course, the smaller number equal 3 plus the ratio will equal 1 over 2, and inside bracket we make big minus small, which equal 7 minus 3. And by using calculator, the result will equal 5. Example number 2, 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. We can solve this example also from the greater or smaller side. because the ratio equal 1 over 2. And the rule from the greater side will equal big minus ratio and inside bracket big minus small. The big number first, we find the big number, we make cross multiplication. 7 multiplied by 2 will equal 14 and 5 times 3 will equal 15. Then 3 over 7, fraction 3 over 7 is greater than 2 over 5. Then the big number will equal 3 over 7 minus the ratio, which equal 1 over 2 half, and inside bracket we make big minus small, which equals 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5. And by using calculator, then the number in middle way or between 2 over 5 and 3 over 7, it's equal 29 over 70. Example number 3, find the number on 1/6 of the way between 0 and negative 2 over 3 from the side of a greater side. 1/6, then the ratio or fraction equal 1 over 6. And of course 0 and negative 2 over 3, the big number is 0 and the small number is negative 2 over 3 because any number negative is smaller than 0. From the greater side, we make big minus ratio and inside bracket big minus small. The big number equals 0 minus ratio 1 over 6 and inside bracket we make big number 0 minus smaller number negative 2 over 3. By using calculator, then the number will equal negative 1 over 9. Example number 4, find a rational number lying at 1/3 of way between 2 and 8 from the side of the smaller. 1/3, then the ratio will equal 1 over 3 and the big number equal 8 and the smaller equal 2. We need the number from the smaller side. Then from smaller we make small number plus ratio or fractions is fraction and inside bracket big minus small. Smaller number of course equal 2 plus the ratio 1 over 3 and inside bracket big 8 minus small 2. And by using calculator the result will equal 4. Example number 5, find a rational number lying at fourths of way between negative 1 over 6 and negative 1 over 3 from the side of the grid. Fourths of course is in the ratio equal 1 over 4 and make cross multiplication to find the smaller and the bigger number. 3 times negative 1 will equal negative 3 and 6 times negative 1 will equal negative 6. Of course negative 3 it's bigger than negative 6. Then the fraction negative 1 over 6 is the big fraction or bigger number and the smaller is negative 1 over 3. And to solve this example from the greater side, we type the rule big minus ratio or fraction and inside bracket big minus small will equal the big number equal negative 1 over 6 minus the ratio 1 over 4 and inside bracket big minus small which equal negative 1 over 6 minus negative 1 over 3. By using calculator the result will equal negative 5 over 24. Example number 6, find a rational number lying at fifth of way between 2 over 5 and 4 over 7 from the side of the smaller. Fifths, then the ratio or fraction equal 1 over 5 and make cross multiplication to find the smaller and the bigger number. 7 times 2 will equal 14 and 5 multiplying by 4 will equal 20. Then of course the fraction 4 over 7 is bigger than 2 over 5. Then the big 4 over 7 and the smaller 2 over 5. From the smaller side, we make small plus ratio and inside bracket big minus small. The small number 2 over 5 plus the ratio 1 over 5 and inside bracket we make big minus small 4 over 7 minus smaller 2 over 5 and type all in the calculator. The result will equal 76 over 175. Example number 7, write the rational number at that equal 2 over 3 and the sum of its terms is 25. Any number or any fraction or rational number which equal first term over second term, the numerator over denominator. Okay, let's solve this example by the ratio first term to second term to sum. The ratio of the first term is equal to, and second term will equal 3, and the sum of this ratio 2 plus 3 will equal 5, and the real sum which equal 25. To find first term, we make cross multiplication. 2 times 25 over 5, 2 multiplying by 25 over 5 will equal 10, and the second term we make 3 times 25 over 5 will equal 15, and we say the number will equal first term of second, and we find the first term equal 10 and second equal 15, then the number will equal 10 over 15. Thanks for watching and goodbye.